I'm Tony Crimlisk. This is a song by Woody Guthrie called So Long It's Been Good to Know Ya. Now I've sung this song, but I'll sing it again. Other people I've met and the places I've seen, and some of the troubles that bothered my mind, and a lot of good people that I've left behind, saying so. It's been good to know ya so long. It's been good to know ya so long. It's been good to know ya. It's a long time since I've been home, and I've gotta be drifting along. Now I went to your family, I asked them for you. They all said, just take her, oh, take her, please do. She can't cook or sew, and she won't scrub your floor. So I put on my coat and slipped out the back door, singing, so long, it's been good to know you. So long, it's been good to know you. So long, it's been good to know you. It's a long time since I've been home, and I've gotta be drifting along. But the telephone rang, it jumped off the wall. Well, that was the preacher, just making a call. He said, we're all waiting to high up the knot, and you're getting married, believe it or not. Now the church, it was jammed, yes, the church, it was packed. The pews were all crowded from front to the back. 1,000 friends waited to kiss my new bride. But I was so anxious, I rushed her outside and said, so long, it's been good to know you. So long, it's been good to know you. So long, it's been good to know you. It's a long time since I've been home, and I've gotta be drifting along. Yes, I've gotta be drifting along. As I said, this is a song by the American folk musician Woody Guthrie. It's based on Carson Robinson's ballad of Billy the Kid. It was first released in 1935 and is considered to be one of his best songs. Originally, however, it was a serious dust ballad telling about the hard times that Americans experienced during the Great Depression, and especially the harsh weather and drought conditions experienced by farm workers in the western United States after a devastating dust storm on April 14, 1935. Guthrie, however, wrote several different versions of the lyrics, including one about the Second World War. But this one has a light-hearted comical words, probably used on Garrison's Keeler's weekly radio variety show, which is called A Prairie Home Companion. It makes a great song for group singing, particularly at the end of a set. This is another song that uses everybody's favourite chord sequence, 1, 6, 2, 5. In the key of C, that's a C, 6 notes above A minor, 2 notes above C is D minor, then 5 notes G7. So it's 1, 6, 2, 5. Over and over again we get that sequence. I've sung this song, so I'll sing G7, C, A minor, D minor, G7. Then it changes from C, some of the C7, which goes to an F chord, now you can say an F there, or you can put your little finger down there and make it an F stroke C. Makes it a little more interesting. And C, A minor, that I've left behind. Then we got the chorus. So long, it's been good to know you. And quite often in that one, I just change it to a C6. So long, it's been good to know you. Just makes a bit of a change. Then a G7, so long, back to C, good to know ya. C, C7 again, same sequence as before, an F, been good to know ya. C, A minor, D minor, G7, but I got a bit drifting along. Next bit is more or less the same, but when you say they all said please take her, please do, she can't of course so, and she won't scrub your, then you get a C diminished seventh. You could say on the F, but it's nice to get that extra chord. She won't scrub your floor. So I C, A minor, D minor, G7, and then that's the same all the way through. Well, I hope you found that interesting, useful. It's a good song for, as I say, group singing to end a set and sort of say goodbye to everybody. Anyway, whatever you do, however you do it, and however you use it, have fun.